Hello everyone, we are coming to you from on stage and I have something really cool to show you. We did talk about it in one of our previous posts, but I wanted to show you it in IRL, in real life. So I'm going to flip the camera over. So this is
ta-da!
The amazing new tote bag that Stampin' Up have. It's totes amazing. So thank you for modelling that, Bruno. You're doing a very good job. Oh, hang on. I've got to go back here. So what are the features of this amazing tote bag?
Has a tag.
I love this tag. This is the same sort of emblem or logo as our 30th anniversary. And the same colours too. As you can see our bag in the background there. It's a similar flower.
Stampin' Dimensionals.
So look at that, you can fit dimensionals. Dimensionals, Bruno.
Ooh.
I love that new linen thread.
That's awesome.
Gorgeous. And then on this side, you can actually fit punches in here.
The large punches.
I know, that's so good. And then what do we have inside? How many different compartments have we got?
So we've got lots of different things. You can put this in there.
Inks in there. Look at the inks in there.
You can put mini blue dots, scissors. Oh, you can adjust that to make compartments.
You could open that whole thing up if you wanted to.
Yeah. You can put kits and things in here.
Yep. Like your cardstock for when you're doing classes, or if you wanted to go to someone's place to do crafting.
Look at all these stamp sets.
Look at all the stamp sets. How many is it fitting in? Oh, there's some new stamp sets
So
too.
there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can put more stamp sets in there.
Wowza.
Let's just have a quick look at these stamp sets.
Yeah, show us
Forever Lovely.
Lovely.
Needle and thread.
Give us a look at needle and thread. Yep, that's good.
Bloom by Bloom.
Wow.
And Geared Up Garage.
Ooh, that's awesome. And
so what do you think, everybody?
I think this is amazing.
So how can people get this, Kylie?
So apparently it's like next month.
For demonstrators?
For demonstrators only, that you can purchase it.
And what about if you're not a demonstrator?
Then you have to wait until January when celebration starts, and you can add it to your starter kit. So the only way you can get it is if you join. Can you just
during celebration?
Can you point your finger at me again, please? What has happened to your finger?
Sorry, I opened a stamp case.
What were you using? Which colour?
Lovely lipstick.
That's really funny. Yes, Bruno did our stamping for us today. I was too busy gas bagging. So there you go. There is the stunning tote bag. Zip on this side as well. Another handle here. If you don't want to use these handles, this can be just for carrying. And yeah, it's amazing. So I know that I'm going to be getting a lot of new sign-ups just because of this bag, because you want to get your hands on it. I understand. So there you go. Speak soon.